Well, folks, this is my 1900s fireman hose reel, and I got it set up for my 2-inch irrigation line. It's kind of, and just a few minutes ago, Brett and I took the stand and stuck a bolt in it so we can use the ATV to get it out. But we're going to see how we do. We don't have very far to go, but certainly this is going to be nice to be able to roll it up and to carry it out there to the farm. We'll see what we do, how we do in the future, but let's go ahead and get the irrigation going. But yeah, using a 1900s fireman hose reel to do our irrigation out here for our sweet corn. Now that I have the hose on the other side of the corn over here, now I can go ahead and put my irrigation gun out here into the field. I've already kind of paced it off to figure out about where I want it, so let's go ahead and get this irrigation gun out in the field and get it in position so I can actually pull the hose right to it. So let's get that done. Now, isn't that a pretty sight, folks? Got the irrigation gun going up there on the corn. Got the pump going. I'm gonna go up and investigate it, see how well we're doing. But I had to do a little bit of maintenance on the pump, which you all have to, but Look at that gun going. Look at that. Ain't that nice? Getting my sweet corn going. We're going to go up there and make sure everything's okay. We'll walk up there. But what a pretty sight on this beautiful Thursday night. We got 2 batches of corn that are currently in going to tassel. 1 batch is fully in tassel and has silks. Well, corn's getting water. Rain came through today. But it was not enough rain. I think it will shoot a little farther than that even. Well, let me scoot this. Let me go see if I got a kink in it. Yep, I got a kink in it. Let's see if we can get this straightened out. There we go. That's gonna get some more water. There we go. Yeah, just had a kink right here. That was giving me about half. I'll walk back down there to the calves. That is a pretty sight though. Look at that. Look how much more. You can just see it. It's just really scattering it. I'm gonna get wet right here. That's all right. It feels really good. If you're quiet, you can hear it hitting the rain, hitting the corn. Okay, I see where I'm at. I'm short that much. Okay, that's all right. I can go ahead and I can adjust it. How many rows am I off? We'll start here. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 8 rows. 8 rows will do it. So tomorrow, I will move that. I didn't know exactly where it was going to land, but we'll move it. So we'll be getting into we're going to be getting into putting in our electric fence here real shortly. And this water is just, boy, do you sure need it. Well, gardeners, remember when sweet corn is going into tassel, going into silking, we need to be remembering that the water needs of your sweet corn is getting up to 0.25 to 0.3 inches of water per day, of rain per day. If you don't have rain coming to you, that's as much as 2 inches a week. If you don't have the rain, consider putting irrigation on, just as I have going on behind me. Woo, that was a good one. Now, gardeners, if you like these types of videos, do us a favor, hit that like button and subscribe. Come grow with us.